Hello guys, this is Tariq and today I'm going to teach you one more beautiful lesson. In this lesson you will learn basic sentences in Urdu. You will learn Urdu through English. In this lesson you will learn basic vocabulary and basic sentences. Okay, let us start. Poison, zahar, zahar, zahar. Fully, zahar, zahar, zahar. Poison, zahar. Next, cookies, cookies. Biscuit, 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 biscuit. How to pronounce slowly? Listen carefully. Biscuit, biscuit, biscuit. Okay. Next, don't take coffee, don't take coffee. How to say in Urdu? Coffee mat piyo, coffee mat piyo, coffee mat piyo. Don't take coffee, coffee mat piyo. Repeat after me. Coffee. I don't know how to pronounce coffee in English, but we say in Urdu coffee. Coffee, not coffee, okay? Coffee mat piyo. Coffee mat piyo. Next, sorry, I am late. माजरत चाहता हूँ मुझे देर हो गई. माजरत चाहता हूँ मुझे देर हो गई. Repeat after me. माजरत चाहता हूँ मुझे देर हो गई. If you don't want to say माजरत चाहता हूँ, you say sorry मुझे देर हो गई. You can say like this, sorry मुझे देर हो गई. Sorry मुझे देर हो गई. But if you want to speak like this, माजरत चाहता हूँ, माजरत चाहता हूँ मुझे देर हो गई. Repeat after me. माजरत चाहता हूँ मुझे देर हो गई. Next, it is hot day today. It's hot day today. आज गर्मी का दिन है. आज गर्मी का दिन है. आज mean today. गर्मी hot. दिन day. Okay. आज गर्मी का दिन है. It is hot day today. It is hot day today. आज गर्मी का दिन है. आज गर्मी का दिन है. आज गर्मी का दिन है. Next, get out of the car. Get out of the car. How to say in Urdu? कार से बाहर जाओ. कार से बाहर जाओ. कार से बाहर जाओ. Repeat after me. Car. Don't say car. Don't say, okay? Car, because it's say in Urdu. We say English in Urdu in different accent. So it's pronounced like Urdu, okay? कार से बाहर जाओ. It's very formal, okay? It's not informal, it's formal and polite way to say get out of the car. Another way to say the same sentence in Urdu, do you remember उतर जाओ? Do you remember उतर जाओ? बस से उतर जाओ, कार से उतर जाओ. Do you remember in my previous lessons, in my any previous lesson, I don't remember which lesson, but in previous lesson I taught you कार से उतर जाओ, बस से उतर जाओ. You can say like this, कार से उतर जाओ, कार से बाहर जाओ या कार से उतर जाओ. Both are same. You just remember one, okay? Don't learn both. Just remember one, okay? कार से बाहर जाओ. Next, don't run. भागो मत. भागो मत. भागो means run. भागो मत. भागो मत. भागो मत. भागो मत. भागो मत. Next, who the hell are you? But remember this, when we ask any question, we use question mark. So I'm sorry, in Urdu I also did not write question mark. So who the hell are you? How to say in Urdu? तुम होते कौन हो? तुम होते कौन हो? तुम होते कौन हो? तुम होते कौन हो? This is informal, okay? You cannot say this sentence to any elder person, okay? Remember this, you cannot say this sentence to any elder person, because if you say this sentence in front of elders, you will be insulting that person, okay? So don't do this. Tum hote kaun ho, it's informal, okay? Tum hote kaun ho. Another way to say, तुम क्या बला हो? तुम क्या बला हो? Let me tell you, bala means monster, okay? Bala mean monster. So तुम होते कौन हो? The actual Urdu of this sentence is first one, तुम होते कौन हो. But if you translate from Google or any other, if you ask anyone of about this Urdu, so they will say तुम क्या बला हो. I have read in many books this Urdu, but it's not the actual Urdu, okay? So the actual Urdu is tum hote kaun ho, okay? I hope you understand. Leave that cat alone. Leave that cat alone. उस बिल्ली को अकेला छोड़ दो. उस बिल्ली को अकेला छोड़ दो. उस बिल्ली को अकेला छोड़ दो. उस बिल्ली को अकेले छोड़ दो या उस बिल्ली को अकेला छोड़ दो. Both are same. Listen carefully. उस बिल्ली को. उस बिल्ली means that cat. That cat. उस बिल्ली को. Yeah, it means alone means अकेले and leave mean छोड़ दो. Okay? Leave mean छोड़ दो. Alone mean अकेले. उस बिल्ली को that cat, उस बिल्ली को अकेला छोड़ दो. उस बिल्ली को अकेला छोड़ दो. Next, leave him. Yeah, you can say like this, leave her. But listen carefully, in this sentence when you say in Urdu, the Urdu is same for boys and girls in this sentence. If you say leave him, in Urdu उसे अकेला छोड़ दो. If you say leave her, it means उसे अकेला छोड़ दो. So what is the difference between both sentences? How can we recognize when we are using for him or when we are using for her? It's really simple. It's up to you. You have to know you are using for girl. It will depend on the situation. The other person will understand, because when you point out a girl, so it means you are saying to a girl. If you are point out a boy, so you will saying to a boy. So for example, if I say उसे अकेला छोड़ दो, and in front of me there is a girl, so and I point out that girl and I said उसे अकेला छोड़ दो. It means I am telling leave her, okay? So that thing is very important. You have to point out that person, or you are telling someone, so you have to point out, or you have to say, you have to see the situation. But both Urdu are same for girls and boys, उसे अकेला छोड़ दो, but you are saying for boys or girls only, okay? It is a singular boy or girl, singular boy or singular girl. Okay. Next, go to home and go home. Some people say go to home is incorrect, and some people say go home is incorrect. I don't know what, because it is not my native language, so I don't know about this. But in my, I heard from many people go home is correct, and go to home is not correct. So please let me know if you are native speaker. Okay, next, in Urdu, how to say go home? घर जाओ, घर जाओ. Ghar mean home, home, house. It means ghar, house, home. We say ghar, 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 ghar. It's really funny, but it's very useful vocabulary if you use ghar. Jao, jao mean go. There are so many ways to say jao in Urdu. For example, jao, jana, jata, jaya, gaya. So there are so many ways to say go in Urdu. It's depend on the situation. It depend on present, past, future. Okay. But when we are saying, when we order someone, so we say jao. We say go mean jao when we order someone. Okay, jao, ghar jao. Okay. Next, it doesn't matter, it does not matter. How to say in Urdu? ये कोई मसला नहीं, ये कोई मसला नहीं, ये कोई मसला नहीं. It doesn't matter. ये कोई मसला नहीं. Repeat after me. ये कोई मसला नहीं. Next, it's not a big deal. It is not a big deal. How to say in Urdu? ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, 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 ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. It's not a big deal. Next, no gain, no pain. No gain, no pain. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. It's very famous. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. Repeat after me. कुछ, 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 पाने, पाने, के लिए, लिए, कुछ, कुछ, खोना, खोना, पड़ता, पड़ता है. Now, influently, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. Now I'm going to repeat one by one Urdu. You have to listen and memorize in your memory. जहर, बिस्किट, कॉफ़ी मत पियो, माजरत चाहता हूँ मुझे देर हो गई, आज गर्मी का दिन है, कार से बाहर जाओ, भागो मत, तुम होते कौन हो, उस बिल्ली को अकेला छोड़ दो, उसे अकेला छोड़ दो, घर जाओ, ये कोई मसला नहीं, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. Now it's time for golden words. Quotes of the day. Quote of the day. Sometimes people are nothing. You make them something, and when they become something, they feel that you are nothing. It's a real. Sometimes people are nothing. कभी कभार लोग कुछ नहीं होते. You make them something. आप उन्हें कुछ बना देते हो. एंड व्हेन दे बिकम समथिंग, और जब वो कुछ बन जाते हैं, दे फील, वो महसूस करते हैं, वो रियलाइज करते हैं, उन्हें पता चलता है दैट यू आर नथिंग. कि तुम कुछ नहीं. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Assalamu alaikum.